Hello, so today I'm going to try and take an image off the internet of a egg profile, trace this in Xtool software, paste the image into Xtool as a starting template. I'm just going to trim the bottom of this image to make it easier when we do the trace. There wasn't enough contrast in this image to give me a clean trace, so I had to try and adjust the fuzziness, but it still wasn't very good. Taking this image, it's much more of a cleaner contrast between the black and white. When we paste this into Xtool, it gives a lot better results when you do a trace. I move the image onto a different layer. You could just delete it. It's a good idea to copy and paste this profile a few times so you can use on the different layers. When you create the first profile, you could save time later by copying and pasting this several times so that you can use it as a template for each new layer. I'm going to take the rabbit which is in the Xtool catalog and just use that as a template starting point in my design and resize it to suit. It comes in black as a full engraving, but you can change that to be a cut profile, you can see, and then use the merging tool to merge the two profiles together. So you can learn from my mistakes or learn as I was going, but you should take the first profile and copy and paste it with the hole in the middle, so you don't have to do it on every time, every layer. Just checking that they line up. Don't forget to group things together. Makes it easier to move things around. So I'm just using another standard template from the library. If you find that you paste it in and you're left with parts sticking out that you don't want, you can go back and edit this later. I'll show you in a minute how I cleaned up the edge of this so it didn't have the stalks of the plant sticking out the edge. Just use the edit tool and you can delete the little points which you don't need. can see this grass template that I've taken from the catalogue. It's very busy. I thought I could go in and just edit it and clean it up a bit. But you can see there's a lot of points and overcrossing lines, so it's not the best image to try and cut out for a profile. You can try and edit it a little bit, but it was really too much to try and edit. So I think it was too much to go and edit, so if I just go back, undo what I've just done, and we'll try another template. That's a bit too simple. This one looks a bit better. Only a couple of bits to clean up. And now we come to the fun part, where I'm just going to use a piece of scrap wood from a previous project. I'm going to try and fit the eggs into this patch of wood. The Xtool S1 doesn't have a camera to position your jobs on the wood, so this is very easy marking out by clicking 2 points or multiple points to find out where you want to place your job. Resizing it, make sure you select everything when you're resizing, and then away we go. So just swapping the wood around to position out for the next 2 profiles. Also easy to do one-handed, and we just move the laser head into position. Quick run on the machine again, and we have 2 more layers. How many people have watched this far and see me making one image in the Xtool software, but the image you're seeing me cut out and stick together is a different image in different profiles? So if you notice that, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you like this video. If you want to subscribe and see me making more projects like this and whatever else I come up with. So thank you for watching.